Hi, in this video we'll be conducting a waterproof test on the SPC flooring. The time now is 9 o'clock in the morning and we have just soaked this piece of SPC inside the water to check its waterproof capability at least for 12 hours.
3 hours later.
It's now 12 o'clock. As you can see, it's been submerged for at least 3 hours. Let's have a look. The color has not changed, as well as the water color has not changed, so we can tell that there is no effect yet after 3 hours. Even though it's been submerged for 3 hours, what got me concerned is the core pad. But even though the strength and the hardness is still working fine, and also the color is not peeling off, so this is a good sign. Our test still continues. Let's soak it in for another 6 hours and see how it works.
6 hours later.
Hi, we're back again. And now it's been submerged at least for 6 hours. The time is now 6 p.m. Let's have a look. Even though it's been submerged for 6 hours, the color is still not peeling off. The core is still working well. I think it's doing perfectly fine. And our test continues. Let's soak it in for another 3 hours.
2,000 years later.
It's now been soaked for at least 12 hours. As you can see the time now. Even though it's been soaked for 12 hours, it has proven to be very strong and the color is still not peeling off. It's done an excellent job. After our test, we are now satisfied and we can say that the SPC is completely waterproof. For more videos about building material, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. That's it for today. Bye bye.